Hey everyone, Pat Walley. I'm sitting out here in front of the Buckhorn Grill at the Palladio Parkway. Oh my gosh, getting my protein on, man. This is the best food. You walk in, it smells like a smokehouse, and it's warm. Everybody's friendly. The prices are right, and the food is absolutely delicious. They've got some mac and cheese. I don't recommend that for the diet part, but oh my gosh, their mac and cheese is amazing. Anyway, just wanted to give everybody a shout out. For those of you that are working hard to lose the weight, I changed my mindset from losing the weight to accelerating toward my goal and to gaining my metabolism back and to getting back something that I lost, and that was my vitality and my energy. And I got rid of that lose and negative mindset, and it's made all the difference in the world. Christopher Reese told me, let him know when I was serious. I walked in the bar the other day and let him know, well, it's a juice bar, right? I let him know I'm serious, and it's different now. It's different. And I got to tell you, folks, if you're on a diet or you're trying to lose weight, it'll never work. You've got to get your mindset to race towards something, to gain something back, and it works. So happy hunting, everybody. Larry Patterson, kudos to you, man, for helping me get motivated again. Love you all. God bless. Talk to you later.